Use the word this when you're talking about something close by. This bug is near. Use the word that when you're talking about something far away. That bug is far. Use the words these and those when you're talking about more than one thing. These bugs are near, and those bugs are far. Use the word this when something is near. This beaver is close by. Use the word that when something is far. That beaver is far away. This beaver is close. And that beaver is far. Tap this woman. Great job! This woman is right here. Tap that girl. Great job! That girl is far away. Tap this boy. Great job! This boy is right here. Tap that man. Great job! That man is far away. Use the word these when multiple things are nearby. Tap these beavers that are right here. Great job! These beavers are close. Use the word those when multiple things are far away. Tap those beavers that are far down the road. Great job! Those beavers are far away. Tap those dogs. Nice! Those dogs are far away. Tap these sheep. Yep, these sheep are close. Tap those kittens. Yep, those kittens are far. Tap these horses. Super! These horses are close.